What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we made vegan mayonnaise. For today's vegan mayonnaise, we're gonna use aquafaba, lime juice, and white vinegar, dry mustard, sugar, and to give it that eggy taste, we're gonna be using black salt. All right, family, so for today's vegan mayonnaise, we're gonna blend everything up, right? And we're gonna first add the aquafaba. For those that are wondering, what is aquafaba? Aquafaba actually comes from chickpeas. All you gotta do is buy you some low sodium or no salt at all chickpeas. Use that liquid to bake this recipe. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make mayonnaise so you'll never have to buy it again. All right, guys, so I'm gonna add in all my wet ingredients first, and then I'm gonna add in my dry. All right, family, so now we could start to blend our ingredients so we could make this vegan mayonnaise. All right, guys, so we're gonna turn this baby on. All right, family, so you want to blend this until it get nice and frothy. So while this is blending, right, we're gonna add our sunflower seed oil very slow. You don't want to overdo it because it'll mess up the recipe. All right, family, so begin to add your oil, but remember, do it nice and slow. Depending on your blender, guys, you're gonna blend this for 2 to 3 minutes, family, until it's nice and fluffy and begin to look like mayonnaise. After blending for about 2 to 3 minutes, now let's see if we have mayonnaise. All right, family, so if your mayonnaise looks like this and sticks to that spoon, it's actually ready. All right, so you want to just take it out and put it into a jar, a glass jar. I will be making 2 types of mayonnaise today. I'm going to be doing a chipotle mayonnaise and a regular mayonnaise. This mayonnaise can be used for cheeseburgers, sandwiches, coleslaw, or anything that you like, guys. And guess what? It's vegan, alkaline, and delicious. All right, family, so I got my glass jar and I'm ready to add my mayonnaise into this glass jar. This is for some olives. I just scrubbed it down, removed the paper, and that's it. You could save instead of using plastic containers. All right, family, so I know the mayonnaise looks a little liquidy, but you have to add this into the refrigerator for about an hour or so, and then it'll thicken up nice like mayonnaise. All right, family, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this mayonnaise into a glass bowl so I can add some chipotle to this to make chipotle mayonnaise. All right, so I'm going with the chipotle pepper, so I'm gonna just add some. All right, family, so I added my chipotle chili pepper, and I'm just gonna fold it nicely until it blends, and then this is gonna be your chipotle mayonnaise. All right, family, so now I'm gonna add my chipotle mayonnaise into another glass jar, separated from my other mayonnaise, family. Look how beautiful that look. It's finally ready, family. Now let's go for the taste test. Now let's try the chipotle mayonnaise. So good, guys. All right, family, if you enjoyed this recipe, you could join my Facebook group. The link will be in the description below. Don't forget, hit the like button, and thank you for subscribing. Peace.